How's it going, everyone? Landon here with TBS. Excited about this week's edition of TBS Live, where we're here with Taylor of Boomer Diesel, man. Thanks for having us. Really appreciate it. And also with Isela.
Hey guys, how's it going?
As you can see, we're talking Dynasis APU. We'll actually lift up the hood and break it down for you. Taylor's going to give us some awesome insight, so you definitely want to pay attention. If you can see this video, hear us, make sure you like, comment, as well as get a part of the conversation, because you're going to want to stay tuned.
Bueno, gente, ya saben que como siempre todos los jueves tenemos información importante que les queremos dar, y ahora estamos con nuestros amigos aquí de Boomer Diesel, que de hecho vamos a hablar de la unidad que tenemos aquí enfrente y bueno, pues cómo también tener el mantenimiento.
So Taylor, let's break this down. I know that there's a lot of options out there when it comes to truckers with APUs. You guys definitely are Dynasis. You're a certified dealer with Dynasis. So talk about a little bit more about this new unit, because they just came out with the new engine.
Yeah, this is the new, they call it the Gen 2 K for Kubota. The 2-cylinder Kubota engine, 4,500 watt gen head, got a 55 amp alternator, 12,000 BTU heat hanger.
Nice.
Completely standalone unit. It doesn't tie into the water. Doesn't tie into the truck anyway, other than, you know, we tap the fuel tanks and we tie into the batteries with battery storage.
Excellent.
Bueno, pues de lo que nos estaba mostrando nuestro amigo es de que de la unidad esta, de la que se puede llevar en su camión, en su trailer, bueno, es eficiente especialmente para el calor y para el frío también igual. Y una de las cosas muy importantes es de que pues no necesita que conectarlo nada, lo que sea el motor, o sea, y igual también nos explica cómo va la instalación y en realidad qué tanto lo que se necesita para poderlo mantener todo el año.
So Taylor, I know that when it comes to being a trucker, you don't have to buy an APU. It's an option. But there are anti-idling laws out there throughout the states. If you're a trucker, if I'm laying this trucker, why would you say I need to purchase an APU?
Fuel savings and wear and tear on your truck. The amount of savings, you know, the fuel, and then, you know, the things you won't think about, like alternators, compressors on the truck, and the DPF filters and all that you got to do. It all adds up.
It all adds up? Do you want to go ahead and share that?
Sure.
Sorry about that.
No, you're fine. It's interesting because it's also like, oh.
Yes.
De lo que nos explica también, porque cuáles son las cosas que en realidad sería algo importante de que sea necesario esta unidad para su camión o su trailer. Bueno, muchas de las cosas se puede usted ahorrar, lo que viene siendo en petróleo, lo combustible, o sea, pensar en el daño que le puede hacer, por ejemplo, al alternador de su camión o de su trailer. Eso le va a ahorrar muchísimo dinero y también, bueno, igual, el beneficio que lleva es de que se ahorra tener que pensar, o sea, en su camión, de no tener que dañarlo.
So break that a little bit more. You mentioned this is a standalone unit. What is different between Dynasis versus others like Thermo King, etc.?
Like Thermo Kings tie into the radiator coolant on the truck.
Okay.
So you know, they're tied in. You can't run both at the same time. You know, either drive the truck or run the APU. Dynasis, you just, you know, like I said, you just tap the fuel tank, you just hook to the batteries. So, say you blow a radiator hose on your truck, you know, you can stop and run this until help comes, you know, tow truck, something like
That's
that.
huge.
Oh yeah.
That's a big deal.
Oh, yeah.
That is a big deal. So that definitely there is snowstorm.
Y bueno, pues lo importante de esta unidad es de que solamente es conectarnos ya mucho lo que es a la batería. Si se le llega a descomponer su camión en tiempo de frío, en tiempo de calor, la unidad corre aparte, o sea, no necesita, o sea, como no va conectado al camión y al trailer, en lo que usted está esperando a que llegue ayuda, usted puede estar usando la unidad sin ningún problema.
So maintenance is a big deal. What can someone expect when it comes to normal maintenance for an APU?
Maintenance on these, we do oil and filters every 1,000 hours. Just tell people to check the belts every 1,000 hours.
Gotcha.
Serpentine belt on this side, they say it's supposed to last the entire warranty period.
Okay. What does warranty period go?
2 years or 4,000 hours.
2 years, 4,000 hours. Gotcha.
Nice. I'm like, which? Okay. Bueno, y para poder mantener la unidad es bien sencillo. Cada 1000 horas sí le requiere de que hay que revisar lo que son los filtros, lo que es el aceite, lo que lleva. Igual también llevan lo que son las bandas, que también se tienen que revisar, y esas le piden mucho a las 4,000 horas de que ya tengan su uso.
So I know we have the diesel powered unit, but there's also the electric unit. Talk a little bit about the electric unit and the advantages of that.
Yeah, we sell the Night Phoenix and the Night SSI, which I think is Space Saver. The way we do those is we install 4 extra Trojan AGM deep cycle batteries. So you we put 4 batteries, in the back of the truck, either in the frame or on the frame. Tie them into the truck batteries, so you have 8 batteries until the truck batteries get to, I think it's 12.8 volts.
Right.
So the truck batteries then shut off, and it runs on auxiliary batteries for the rest of the night. And you're seeing anywhere from 10 to 14 hours runtime on those air conditioners.
But you were mentioning that there was you preferred diesel over the electric.
Yeah, I do.
And why is that?
Just because they can run anytime, all the time. You've got the gen head for electricity all the time. They actually keep the batteries charged. That's why I just prefer the generator.
Gotcha.
An inverter.
Makes sense.
Bueno, that is a lot of information. I'm sitting here trying to process it, like, whoa. Well, lo que nos dice nuestro amigo es, esta unidad hay 2 diferentes tipos. Hay uno que puede ser eléctrico y otro que puede ser que se usa con el diesel. Bueno, él prefiere lo que es el diesel. ¿Por qué? Porque lleva más beneficio, porque lo puede usar por más largo plazo, se usa por unas 14 horas, opuesto al otro. Ahora, lo que tiene esta unidad, que son varias unidades que ellos tienen, son 2 tipos diferentes. Que al igual, la instalación es diferente, dependiendo del tipo de unidad que vaya a pedir, tipo de cómo lo vayan a conectar con el tipo de batería que vayan a usar.
So let's talk about installation. Installation's a big deal. Downtime, what can someone expect when it comes to downtime?
Anywhere from 5 to 7 hours.
5 to 7 hours.
Show up here at 7 o'clock in the morning, you're out of here by 2 o'clock.
7 in the morning, you're out by 2 o'clock. That's pretty big. Because I know that's a big risk that most people think about is how long am I going to be off the road?
Oh, yeah, it's money they're not making.
Exactly. So you want to make sure they keep making their money.
Oh, yeah.
Y bueno, para instalar la unidad no se toma mucho tiempo, se han hecho unas horas. Usted llega, como él dice, aquí a las 7 de la mañana, ya para las 2 de la tarde usted ya está de regreso en la carretera con su unidad nueva. Ya sea en tiempo de calor, tiene aire acondicionado, sea en tiempo de frío, tiene calentón.
So we mentioned earlier about fuel savings. How much can someone save on a monthly basis when it comes to fuel?
I haven't done that math yet, but this thing right here will burn a gallon every 5 hours.
1 gallon every 5 hours. When it comes to engine, just normal idle, how many gallons are they burning there?
Gallon to a gallon and a half. Depends on how high the idle the truck's up. But you're, 10 gallons a night versus 2 gallons a night. It adds up.
10 gallons versus 2 gallons. That's a big deal when it comes to using APU or just traditional idle.
Así es, y bueno, de lo que él nos comenta nuestro amigo es lo que usted se puede ahorrar usando la unidad esta a comparación de usarlo del camión normal. Si usted compara de 10 galones a la noche usando la mitad, que son 5, bueno, es más eficiente usando la unidad.
So is there any more information that we haven't talked about that you think we should discuss?
I think we've covered it. The great unit, it's really all we sell, other than battery power, but not just.
It's worth it.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely worth it.
Totally worth it.
So when it comes to saving on fuel, you can save they say when it comes to those that do these kind of reports, about $800 a month.
Yep.
And a unit, how long will it take, to pay off the unit on an average time basis?
Average time, I'd say 12 to 15 months.
12 to 15 months, this has already paid for itself.
Oh yeah.
That's huge.
That's not bad. Bueno, dice nuestro amigo, si usted está interesado en una unidad, vamos a decir, si usted se está poniendo a pensar, ¿qué tanto tiempo voy a tardarme yo en tener que pagar la unidad? Ya mucho de unos 12 a 15 meses ya la unidad es suya. Así es que no tiene que preocuparse por eso.
Well, Taylor, Boomer Diesel, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, sir.
We truly appreciate it. I hope you guys got a lot of good, useful information with the Dynasis APU. Isela, do you want to send us off?
Of course. Recuerden, amigos, que también aquí estamos todos los jueves a las 4 de la tarde. Y bueno, si usted conoce a alguien que le pueda beneficiar esta unidad, aquí con nuestros amigos de Boomer, recuerden, amigos, comenten, háganle el like o compartan la página.
And one last thing I want to mention, be sure to tune in next week because we're going to be live on site at Iowa 80, that awesome truck show.
That's
so
right, that's really exciting.
If you're going to be there, you're going to have to tell
Looking
everybody that.
Yeah.
If you're going to be there, we want to see you there. We're going to have some awesome interviews lined up. We're going to bring the show to you. If you can't make it, don't worry, we'll be there on your behalf.
And vamos a estar en Iowa 80. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
I got lost. I was already imagining this there. Vamos a estar para la semana que entra, el jueves vamos a estar en vivo desde Iowa, vamos a estar en esa convención, así es que si usted no va a poder ir, no se preocupe porque nosotros le vamos a traer Iowa 80 a usted personalmente aquí a través de nuestra página.
As always, on behalf of all of us here at TBS, we'll see you next week on TBS Live.